Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today is the second part to taking Christmas down and decorating for the winter. I am going to be giving you, this is a two-part video. So the next part is going to be the clean and decorate with me, and that's going to be for tomorrow. But today I want to give you guys just a takedown. I'm taking down the dining room, and y'all, it seems like it's not a lot, but it was a lot. It was a lot. So come with me. As you can see, I'm already breaking things. So come with me as I take down Christmas in my dining room. And if you are new here to my channel, welcome. My name is Shushana. On my channel, I do a lot of home decor, seasonal decor, lifestyle vlogs, cleaning motivation, and I do upload weekly. So if that is something that you are interested in watching, I would love for you to go ahead and consider subscribing. Double tap that bell so that you don't miss any of my notifications, and leave your name down below so that I can get to meet you. I like to talk with my fam, so you know, introduce yourself to me. Let me know where you are watching from, and what is your favorite part of this video. Thank you guys so much. Please watch this video from beginning to end, as it does help my channel out. And I want to thank y'all so much for the love that you guys showed on the last video, the decorate with me video in my foyer. Thank you guys so much for all the love. I so appreciate it. And to my oldie but goodie fam, y'all know I love y'all. I appreciate you guys so much. So thank you guys so much, and let's go ahead and get ready to do this takedown. So as you guys can see, it's a lot that I needed to get done, just a lot of little things, but it was really good. My kids are home, obviously, because of the break. And so you guys are going to get to see them throughout the video, especially my girls. You're not going to really see my son, but my girls you'll see, because we are always, always, always together. And that is one of the things that I am loving most about this holiday, is that my kids are home from school and I get to hang out and chill out with them. So a lot of times you're going to see me kind of looking away or talking. I'm talking to my girls because they're talking to me. So know, we were just having a good time. And y'all, as I was filming this video, I may look a little tired because I am tired still, but this is one of my day offs. I get 2 days off in the week, and this was one of my days off, and I was just like, I need to take advantage and get this place together, get all this stuff down for, you know, the new year. So that's what you're seeing, and me going back and forth. Y'all, who needs to go to the gym? This was a total workout, okay? I definitely got my steps in doing this video, so I hope that you guys are enjoying it so far.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of.
So now I'm just going to be kind of just consolidating some things. I'm taking out from one bin to the next because the red bin was kind of overly stuffed and it wasn't able to close. So I'm just taking out all the red baubles and all the red ornaments and, you know, everything that's red, and putting it in the clear bin. And then I am going to struggle with the bins down to the basement. I decided to put them down in the basement this year because it's just a lot easier for me than the attic. The attic steps are extremely steep, and many times I almost like fell down the steps this year. So I was just like, you know what? I'm going to put them downstairs in the basement, which is where my studio is. That's going to get a makeover as well, but stay tuned to that episode. That video is going to be coming up in the new year, but I just wanted to go ahead and take them downstairs because I'm actually going to have storage downstairs for all of my holiday decorations and everything like that. So here you see me struggling down the steps backwards, and I was praying that I didn't fall down the steps, y'all. Oh my gosh. So I am just going to just put the bins down here, and you know, I'll come back to them and organize everything another time. As you can see, it is a hotmess.com, but you know, it works. It works. And now you're going to see me struggling with this good old Christmas tree. Y'all, next year, I am definitely buying me a pre-lit Christmas tree. This is a pre-lit Christmas tree. I got it thrifting, and it was for, I think it was $40 that I paid for it. But some of the lights this year were not working. So I went ahead and I strung on some, you know, my own string of lights. But it just was a struggle because I had to try to detach them from each other. And I just... Listen, I need some simple things in my life, and this is one of them. So I'm definitely going to be going to the after Christmas clearance sale at Walmart. Hopefully they still have trees, and see what they have there. Hopefully I could find me a pre-lit tree.
Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, you're undeniable.
So I know that this was a short video, but I definitely just wanted to show you guys what I was doing in my dining room with the takedown. My next video is going to be the cleaning and decorating of the dining room. And so on and so forth. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day to spend with me. And I appreciate all your comments and support and love and everything. So I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next episode. Don't forget, Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. Thanks guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye.
Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time